Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss the follow-up questions for this cue card. So the first question is your country changing rapidly? Now many countries are evolving. They are undergoing huge infrastructural changes. So in the following answer I've written yes. In my view, India is evolving, changing quite fast. In fact, the rate of change is notable. Notable can be seen with advancements in technology, shift change from one place to another in societal norms and evolving economic landscapes, geography. But in this case, it is talking about change in economic landscape, like change in financial situation of the country, contributing to a dynamic environment. Okay. Now the second question is, what can smartphone do these days? Now this is a very simple question. Make sure that you do not over elaborate. Okay, but you highlight the main features of what smartphones can do. A smartphone can range from a simple Motorola phone which costs about 6 to 7 thousand to an iPhone which costs about 1.5 lakhs. Okay, modern smartphones have many unique features. They are capable of tasks beyond communication, such as internet browsing, navigation, we use Google Maps, photography, gaming, productivity applications, and even serving as a hub for smart home devices. Hub, a smart hub is a device that can control the functions. For example, you can control your basically your windows. So basically, high-end smartphones also have the capability to control if your door, for example, has automatic open close. So you can control it with your smartphone, and that becomes a hub. Okay. Question number three. Since most people do work on their computers, why do they still need to go to the office? Now, this is talking about work from office, which is the traditional method. And now, many people are working from home. Okay. Despite the prevalence of remote work facilitated by computers, so you can also say, in my opinion, despite the prevalence. So, despite the prevalence means popularity of remote work facilitated by computers, physical office presence remains important for collaboration, working together, team building, and fostering a cohesive work culture. Cohesive, strong, which is very close. That may be challenging to replicate in a purely virtual setting. Virtual setting, for example, many people work on Zoom. So that's a virtual setting. Okay. Now the fourth question is, do you think people's work in the future will be heavily affected by technology? Now the answer for this question will depend upon your opinion. If you think yes, then you have to elaborate why. And if you think no, you have to elaborate why. Since I've chosen yes, I will say yes. The future of work is poised to be significantly influenced by technology. Significantly influenced, it will be it will be influenced in a massive scale by technology, automation, by machines, artificial intelligence, and digital platforms like Google, Facebook. Okay, potentially transforming job roles, creating new opportunities, and necessitating continuous upskilling. Upskilling means you have to learn new things. So for example, if you're fluent in German and if the market is saying that there are opportunities for teachers who know French, then you have to learn French also. continuous upskilling for individuals. The last question. Compare the pace of technological progress in the past and in the present. So this is talking about comparing the past and the present and how technology has evolved. The pace of technological progress has accelerated, it has sped up dramatically in the present, marked by rapid advancements in computers, okay, artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and connectivity, surpassing, it has moved further, surpassing the comparatively slower pace observed in the past. For example, internet speeds. Internet speeds have moved from 10, 15, kbps to 1 mbps to 30 mbps, and now it has gone to 1 gbps also in some countries. Okay, so this was the follow-up questions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button